Hi, and welcome to Neodoesmakeup. I'm Neo, and today this is inspired by Charlie for Heartstopper week. And I literally am just like, I can honestly say that this is probably the most dramatic look I have ever done. Because we got the multi-chromal flakes, which are literally rainbow. We've got the super high crease with a multi-chrome, more duochrome eyeliner, and everything's smoked out. I can't describe how different this is for me and how much I love it. Real quickly, just want to say I forgot it whenever I filmed Nick. Thank you, Joe, for doing so well with Charlie. You really brought life to that character, and you were such a good fit for Charlie. Your acting is just really good, and you really brought so much emotion to a character that I felt so much relation to. I said it with Nick, but seeing the show and reading the books, I feel like I'm living through my relationship with my boyfriend all over again. Like how we met and everything. Not exactly how we met, because that was different. If he ever comes on here, we're gonna talk about that. But just seeing the interactions just reminds me of us, and it was like seeing myself truly on camera in some ways. And so I really wanted to pay homage to, I guess, my favorite character by giving him the most dramatic look I could ever do, while also paying homage to some of the more serious things that happen in the fourth book, where there are doubts with anxiety, depression. I know those very well. I had an anxiety attack last week. That's put a lot of things behind. Anxiety, depression, not so much eating disorder, then again, working on that. But there's so many things I just relate to with Charlie, and I just want to say thank you. You really brought so much emotion to this character. That means so much to me in just a short amount of time, and I'm so thankful. I'm gonna cry. These are getting me emotional. There's one other one that's gonna I'm literally gonna be crying. I know it. But I'm going to go forward. If you want to see how I created this look and how I got really invested in this drama, keep on watching. Okay, so let's get started. This is my fifth time trying to do this because I keep messing up. Okay. Already primed. I'm going in with the L'Oreal Infallible. This is their lacquer liner, because I want to torture myself. That's what it feels like, just being honest. And I'm going to go really high above my... Is this the right brush? No. Wait, no. This is the right brush. So I'm going to go high above my natural crease. Basically stamping in a few different spots, and then building a new crease from there, basically. What's the point in us if I never know? If you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. This sign's a little lower than I want, but what I'm going to do is mainly going to focus on this side, so that's okay, that's lower. Taking a very, very tiny, micro-sized blending brush, I'm going to take, this is Vinyl from the Blend Bunny Surge palette. I'm going to use that to start to blend out. Going very tiny at first. Actually, let me try the brushes again. I had issues with these in the past. I'm just trying them, but we're going to see. Also, yes, I am only doing one eye at a time because every time I was trying to do more than one, I kept messing up. Okay, that looks really dark and crazy, but we're on the right track. Next, I'm going to take Linger, which is this nice dark teal, and place that right on top of that as well, building up the color. That looks really crazy. I'm gonna bring it down a little bit over here. Okay. Next shade I'm dipping into is Brush. We're basically gonna stick with this blue row. Take it on Lim Bunny. This is the V3. Come on. Okay, we're getting there. I am nervous because this is like one of the most weird looks I've ever done. But we're getting there. It's a process. Now I'm going to take Chills, which is the lightest blue. Taking a little bit of Linger and Rush, the two darker shades, and just like putting it right next to black. Guess how many tries this is so far on this look I'm trying to do? Basically, yeah. Because I kept bringing it too low, and then I was like, okay, let's try it on this eye. Right out too far.
Oh, come on, baby.
So now I'm getting ready to...
Ooh. That's really pretty. So is this video number 3?
Yeah.
Need to speed it up, huh? That's really pretty, but what about the lid? The lid's so bare.
I know, I was getting ready to recolor it.
Okay.
Because I wanted to get the right shape first before going back in. And then I was going to use... Where did it disappear to? I just had it.
By the way, yesterday when I saw Risha and Harley...
This is liner.
I just have to tell you their comment. Because I said something about you had the room set up for videos. I said, I think y'all know, but Lonnie does makeup. And they're like, yeah, why doesn't he go to like cosmetology school? I said, well, I don't know. They're like, why doesn't he go to school for that? Like cosmetology. I said, I don't know. I'm not the person to ask. I just want you to know.
Okay, I didn't know they knew. Now I'm going to take this Diamond Wear multi-chrome shadow, right? Metallic liquid eyeshadow. This is in Beam of Blue. I'm going to use that to then reline in there, doing like a kind of a crease on the outer side. That's what I was going for. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay. Wait, you ready?
So me or you?
You? You ready?
Mm-hmm. That's beautiful. It's
Doing a metallic graphic liner.
Okay.
But it's a multi-chrome, so it shifts from blue to purple to pink. But you see why I was going so dark, so that way whenever you see that light pop in, you're like, oh, okay.
That's pretty.
Now I'm going to... do mascara, lashes this side as well, and then we're gonna come back. Oh my gosh, you see that pop though? Okay, so now we're back. I didn't do my lashes or anything because I wanted to finish everything first, which is a first for me. But I wanted to take care of everything. Hold on, this thing is really off. There we go. And I just want to make sure we have everything in place and then go in with lashes to complete everything. I'm basically going to smoke out the under eye as well, although I do want to add in a little bit of hint, just because I did want to use some greens for this too, because Charlie, for some reason, to me also radiates greens. Actually, I might use Locked, just this nice like deeper green. Yeah, I'm actually gonna use Locked. I don't know where, but I'm gonna start out by smoking vinyl. Oh, I need to refinish the wing. Okay, hold on. We got a lot to do. I wanted to wait until I got all of this on, and then I start smoking everything out underneath, because that's how I normally do things. Where's the mini? You can get up close and personal with this. So right now, I literally am just smoking out this side with that blue row. I did apply Lush right here. I'm going to smoke out some of the grains as well. I'm not going to get too crazy though. Okay, now when I say gorgeous, I mean just I have I really want to take the neons, but I'm not going to. Oh, I mean, like, no, not going to take the neons. Okay, for inner corner, I'm going to take Pride by Danessa Myricks. This is one of her flake gels, and this one really shifts throughout the entire rainbow. I have no words. I'm gonna go do this on this eye. I'm gonna run a black in my waterline because I want this smoky. I want this really smoky. And then I'm gonna pop on lashes and mascara. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. Okay, we are here for the drama today. We are here for the drama. Lipstick is gonna be Melt, liquid lipstick, and Fawn. She is weird, I'll be honest, because I love the color, but the formula is always like super oily. I feel like I just got blasted back to my beginning of my channel, like in the best way. Since this is so nude, we're gonna go with another nude. This is Mars, Morphe, and Madison Beer. We're gonna set and be right back. Like, I can't get over how like I'm loving this. Like, let me see. Where's my mirror? Because this is like very much something I've been. Oh my gosh, my eyes look so red. I like the area around my eyes, or like the actual like iris looks so red. First of all, I cannot get over how much I like this. Like, look at that. Like, that is so not something I normally do. You just get this, and it's just like. This is only 1%. But I'm. Get back to my usual settings. I am just. I have no words. Like, the skin is right. The eyes are just electric. I didn't even use the neon. And the fact that it's also based off Charlie just means so much to me, again, because I definitely feel I relate a lot to Charlie. And not in everything, because book 4, not exactly. But there's so many different things that I see Charlie and myself. And it's kind of like, wow, I wish this series was around whenever I was growing up. Because if I was 15 and I was reading this, or watching the show, I know I'd feel so much better about who I am today. And that's coming from someone who's literally the same age as this teacher. Yeah, that's something. But I hope you like this video. I know this is very different from what I normally do, but I'm living for it. I am full on living for this. And now I'm really thinking like, ooh, I can really go big nowadays, can't I? Also, just props to this, because look at those colors. Thank you, Blend Bunny. I was gonna use your palette for Charlie, a different palette for Charlie, and I decided no. I was gonna use Dollhouse for Nick, and I decided not to, and that worked out better because this look, this is spoiling me. Okay, I'm gonna go. If you did like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe. If you like me and you want to see more, please subscribe and click the little bell button, because every time I release a new video, you'll get a notification. Aside from that, I hope you have a great rest of your day or night wherever you are, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!